Shubor Nongïashim jong Nongsan Hima.
Ya kalumpung yele akaya kop siat khnam na ka Bynta ka Khelo India University Games lasdang ha ka arpau trek urempang ha SAI Training Center Shillong ha ka balawan Nongïashim Bynta dalai pu artli ki school ba ki bana keleng jong kari India. Ya kani kalumpung yele akai la Plie do menteri ketenat yele akai ka sorkar Jylla uba Shakler Wardri ha ka ba kala don nang ka Deputy Commissioner ka East Khasi Hills District ka kong RM Kurba kumjo Acting Registrar ka Nehu Udiki Naik u Dr. LR Bishnoi IPS Director General of Police ka Jylla u Working President ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association u ba John F Kharshiye u Director ka Sports Department ka Nehu Professor L Kama mat kiwe ki school ba ki balayo Nongïashim Bynta ha kani lampong ka bahe do ki dei tang kitu ki balayo rung shedo ka thop ka bapra ha ka All India Inter University ban hadu Bynta ki don hadu shispa hanriu pau ki no yele kai na ki lai pu artli ki school ba jongkari India Watla lala banwan ra ya kani lampong ha kani nong ba handai ka bas ngosi ka long ba ka Jylla kam shim lala ban sei wat tang iwe ni ki nong yele kai ki Nongïashim Bynta ha kani lampong na mar kim shim lala ban kenjo shakati ka thop ka bapra Kuman chupan kan mau ya kani kalumpung la Plie ha ka khat khandai tarik ha ka Jylla Assam da menteri rang ba du kari Narendra Modi lingba ka video conference ha ka balaya donnang da menteri sarkar pedeng ba dekhmi ya katanat Youth Affairs and Sports wa Anurag Singh Thakur kumjo menteri rang ba ka Assam o Himanta Biswa Sharma bat kiwe ya kani kalumpung la penlong hadu khandre teli ki jat jingele kai ha Assam ki bakan thop ya athletics rugby basketball volleyball swimming badminton hockey fencing kabaddi football jengki kenthai tennis malakam judo table tennis boxing ki kenthai bat ka shooting kat ba ki we ki Jylla ka than chatai la mi ngi ki la yo ban penlong mar ka we ka jingele kai ki bakan thop ya Arunachal Pradesh ha ka weightlifting Meghalaya archery Mizoram football ki shinrang, Sikkim boxing ki shinrang, Nagaland wrestling, but ka Tripura yagasana.
To take part in this Khelo India University Games, which is being held here in the Nehu campus, I welcome each and every one of you, and I would like to thank you for having taken part in this competition. With you taking part in this competition, you've gotten a chance to come and see the beautiful state of Meghalaya, and we as a state, we welcome you with wholeheartedly, and I would like to request each and everyone to please give a big round of applause to all our athletes who have come from all across the state. I will not take much of your time. My speech will be very brief. We as a state government, as you know, we are working hand in hand with the central government in order to promote sports in our country. As we all know, the aim of the central government is to promote sports to a different level in the country as a whole. Hence, all these Khelo India University Games that you see, the Khelo India Games that has been started by the center, all of this aims to promote sports as a whole in a country. And we as a state government as well, having the same dedication, the same aim, are working hand in hand with the central government to make sure that we provide the best for the athletes of our state, for the athletes of our country. And the main aim of this Khelo India University Games is to promote the athletes, to promote the youths of our state. We are trying to promote the youths of our state and the country as a whole. We are hosting all these different types of games because we believe in the youths of our state. We believe in the athletes of our state. And with all these competitions that the central government has taken up the initiative, and with the state government working hand in hand, we believe that someday through all these university games that are being held, that we will be able to see the youths of our country shine as a whole. We would like to see that through these university games, through the games that are being held, that one day, not only in the state level or national level, that even in the international level, we have the aim and objective that one day we will be able to see that you, the athletes, the youth of our country, to even bring Olympic medals for our country. The youth of our country as a whole have a lot of potential, have a lot of talent. I really do believe, as a minister of a state who's in charge of sports and youth affairs, I really do believe that not only in our state but our country as a whole, that the youth really do have the great potential and talent. And looking at it, when you have so much of talent and potential, we as a government, be it in the center or the state, we have a dedication that we provide you with the best facilities so that we can see you shine someday. As you can see now, the central government is coming up with so many infrastructures all across the country. Be it in Meghalaya, be it in the 7 sister states of our northeastern states, or even the country as a whole. We can see that so many different infrastructures are coming up. Even in our state, we are coming up with so many different infrastructures. All of this is because we want to provide the best for the youth of our country and our state as a whole. This objective of providing you with the best is, we have an aim, like I said, that through these infrastructures that we are being able to provide for you, that will be some sort of help for you to grow bigger and bigger and to achieve greater things in life and in sports as a whole. The center and the state are working hand in hand, like I said, and I'm very happy to know that this Khelo India University Games, that more than 200 universities have participated in this. And today, more than 33 universities from across the country are here in Nehu participating in this Khelo India University Games. And I do believe that with your dedication and hard work, you can achieve greater things in life, not only in life, but in sports as a whole. I only wish you all the best. The government is doing whatever is giving our best to provide for you. I wish you all the best. Make use of this opportunity, make use of this platform that you have been given. I wish you all the best. Be dedicated, work hard, and believe in yourself. That is the most important thing in life. I do believe that once you believe in yourself and with the amount of dedication and hard work, your dreams, your goals, that someday you will be able to achieve. If not today, if not tomorrow, but never lose hope. That is my only suggestion that I would give, my one small piece of advice, that do not lose hope. Especially in sports, there's always someone who wins, there's always someone who loses. But like I said, take this platform as a learning process. Life is a learning process, be it in sports or be it in anything. Life is a learning process. Even if you win today, have a larger mindset. You should have a larger aim. And for those who did not receive any medals, do not lose hope. Keep working hard and always believe in yourself. And someday you will be able to achieve the aims that you have in life. So, like I said, it will not take much of your time. I'm just here to wish you all the best. I hope you have a good stay here in the beautiful state of Meghalaya.